Hey, welcome back, my Scrappin' friends. Welcome to Scrappin' It Up. I'm Vanessa, and I'm doing another album share with our Kit Club project number 4. This had 3 file folder albums in this series. This is album number 1, and I will be showing you album number 2, which is a matchbox style album. This one here is a landscape album. Again, I use that coloring technique. As soon as I get these done, I will upload the Facebook Live where I show you how to do this. Look at that. It's beautiful, guys. And it helps protect our spine of our album. Okay, beautiful. And you can do it in any color, you know, so I will be posting that, so keep an eye out for that. Okay, I used a Pretty Pale collection from Prima, and I used the Midnight Garden from Prima, and I integrated the two, and I used embellishments from both of the collections to do all 3 of these albums. This album here measures 9.5 by 10. It's totally made out of file folders. And there's what it looks like. And here's what the back looks like. Okay, let's dive in. I'm not for sure how many photos this would probably hold. I would probably say over 75 photos probably. So you open it up here. Beautiful paper, guys. And then you open it here. Oh, gotta get into camera. And then here's a photo mat, and again, it's with the scrapped pieces of paper that you have left over. And I did show you guys how to do this about 7 months ago. So if you haven't seen it, go back and check it out. Beautiful. And then we have a pocket here. And I've done the same thing again. Look at that. It's beautiful, guys. It just slides right back in this pocket. It's very nice paper to work with. Very nice. And like I said, I did use both collections and embellishments from both collections. And this opens up, and then I just put a couple of photo mats inside. Okay. It just slides back underneath that belly band. So if you want to learn how to make these, I do offer a tutorial over on my website, scrappinitup.com with no G, just scrappinitup.com. Beautiful. And then this paper here, I just cut it in half and put it on here. And then well-defined areas for photos. I did that with a couple of these pages, because I didn't know if I was going to have enough paper to cover all of it, and I did. So then we have another belly band here, and another booklet, and then a couple of photo mats. And that just slides right back into the belly band. Like I said, I did use elements from both collections. And then we have a pocket here. There's a couple of photo mats. And they just slide back in here. And this is the back page. So you have a flip and a flip. And again, another one of the, and one thing I like about these, not a one of them will ever be, well, you could make them all the same, you know, use the same pieces of paper, but yeah, for the most part, I mean, they're never the same. They're always different, because you always use, you know, different little pieces of scrap. So if you haven't checked out that video that I posted, go check it out, how to use up your scraps. And I even taught you, you know, you could do pockets with this too. So I will put the link down below where you can learn how to make these file folder albums. They're wonderful. They're a lot of fun to make. So I hope you get it, and so you can make it too. Okay, as always, guys, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.